Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video I'm covering a quiz review for solving systems of linear equations using the elimination method. So let's get to it and let's take a look at this first one here. We've got 4x minus 7y equals 28 and negative 4x plus 2y equals 12. I can eliminate the x values by just adding these equations together. So 4x plus a negative 4x, that's 0, so let's cross those off. And then we have negative 7y plus 2y is negative 5y. And that's going to equal 28 plus 12, so that equals 40. We then divide by negative 5. Negative 5 cancels here, and we get y equals negative 8. All right, so let's now take one of these equations. Let's take maybe the bottom one. So we have negative 4x plus 2 times negative 8, and that equals 12. Let's solve this for x. So 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. Okay, so we have negative 4x plus a negative 16 or minus 16 equals 12. So we want to get rid of this minus 16, so let's add 16 to both sides. These cancel. We're left with negative 4x equals 12 plus 16 is 28. We then want to divide by negative 4. We get x equals negative 7. So our solution here is going to be negative 7, negative 8. And pretend those are well-drawn parentheses. Okay, let's move to the next one. All right, so problem 2. We're solving using the elimination method. And we've got a plus 5y here and a minus 5y here. So again, I can go and just straight up add these two together. So 4x plus 8x is 12x. The positive 5y and the negative 5y cancel, and then we have 20 plus 40. So the right-hand side is going to equal 60. We can then divide both sides by 12. These cancel, and we get x equals 5. Now we've got to plug into one of these equations. Let's just pick the top one. So instead of 4 times x, we're going to do 4 times 5 plus 5y equals 20. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 5y equals 20. So you might be able to see here that y is going to have to be 0 because we're going to have 20 plus 0 equal to 20. But if you don't see that, we'll subtract 20 from both sides. Twenties will cancel here. We'll get 5y equals 0. Divide both sides by 5. Cancel 5's here, and we get y equals 0 divided by 5, which is just 0. So our solution is going to be 5, 0. There we go. 5, 0 is our solution. Okay, let's keep going. All right, this next one here, it's not as straightforward because we have a plus 2y here, we have a minus y here. So really, I want to multiply this bottom equation by 2. All right, so the top one's going to stay the same. 3x plus 2y equals 6. The bottom equation, we'll do 2 times 2x, so 4x. 2 times the minus y, so minus 2y equals 2 times 11, so 22. The y's here will cancel. We'll get 3x plus 4x equals 7x. 6 plus 22 equals 28. We'll divide both sides by 7. And we'll get x equals 4. All right, now let's take one of the equations. Let's take the bottom one. We'll do 2 times, instead of x, 2 times 4 minus y equals 11. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8 minus y equals 11. Subtract 8, both sides. We'll get the 8's canceling here. We have minus y equals 3. Divide both sides by -1 because we want to get positive y. So y is going to equal -3. So our solution here is going to be 4, -3. And there we go. Okay, let's keep going. We've got 2 more in this review to go. All right, this next one, we have 5x plus 2y equals 20 and -x plus y equals 10. I would suggest multiplying the bottom equation here by 5, because that's going to give me, if I do that, that's going to give me a -5x on the bottom. All right, so the top is going to stay the same. It's going to be 5x plus 2y equals 20. And the bottom is going to be minus 5x plus 5y equals 50. We're now going to add these up. 5x plus -5x, that cancels out because that's 0. 2y plus 5y is 7y. And that's going to equal 20 plus 50, which is 70. We're going to divide both sides by 7. And we're going to get y equals 10. Okay. Now we want to find x. So let's take the top equation. We'll do 5x. Doesn't really matter. 5x plus 2 times the y value, so 2 times 10 equals 20. So 5x, that's 0 over there, it got away from me. Let's refix that, okay. 5x plus 2 times 10 is 20 equals 20. So x, hopefully you can see x has to be 0, but if you don't, we'll subtract 20 from both sides. 20's cancel here. We get 5x equals 20 minus 20, which is 0. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 0 divided by 5, so x is 0. And our solution is 0, 10. All right. One more to go. All right, this one we have 3x plus 4y equals 24 and x minus 2y equals 3. I would multiply the bottom equation by 2. That way we get a minus 4y here, a plus 4y, and those y's will cancel. That is why we should multiply the bottom equation by 2. Get it? All right, so then we got 3x. The top stays the same, so 3x plus 4y equals 24. The bottom we've got 2x, because 2 times x is 2x, minus 4y equals 2 times 3, which is 6. All right, so the y's cancel. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And that's equal to 24 plus 6, which is 30. Okay, to solve for x, we just divide both sides by 5. 5's cancel here, and we get x equals 30 divided by 5, which is 6. Okay, so now we could just take this bottom one, the original, and we could say 6 minus 2 times y equals 3. We then subtract 6 from both sides. We get a negative 2y equals 3 minus 6, so negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 2. And negative 2's cancel out here, and we get y equals negative divided by a negative is a positive, so positive 1.5. So my solution here is 6. Let's do it better, comma. So 6, 1.5. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and consider subscribing. If you have a question, leave a comment in the comments below.